Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aicahr if you're new. Today I'm just filming a get ready with me. This was for getting ready for the Lovers and Friends Festival. It unfortunately of course got canceled, but it was going to be in California and I was supposed to go with two of my other close co-workers, Kayla and Donovan. Shout out to them. Yeah, we weren't able to go, but I was going to meet up with my other friends as well who are coming in right now, and they gave me the idea to make this video a get ready with me for a festival that got canceled. I'll be getting ready like I normally do for a festival. I know I'm basically already done for the intro, but you can just tune in and you can see how I get ready from start to finish. And plus I don't have my headscarf on right now, so you'll see that at the end and you'll see my whole outfit. Stay tuned and get ready with me. So first things first, I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth. I use the Garnier Skincare Micellar Foaming Gel Cleanser. Okay, then I put some Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula. I'm running out and I think I'm going to switch over to the cucumber, but kind of scared because every time I change something in my skincare routine, my skin kind of acts up. But I just put that on my clean hands and I just pat it on. We have changed scenery. We are in my bedroom now. I don't know why, but I like to do my hair and makeup on the floor, so I'm on my bedroom floor. The straightener, yeah, it's pretty dingy. It's a Wet to Straight straightener by Remington. I've literally had this since I was like 14, 15, I don't know. And then I've got a Conair Instant Heat. I believe this is 1 3/4 inch, so that's how I get my big curls. Okay, so my hair today, I'll just be doing my regular curls that I normally do. I am using some night cream moisturizer, the Clinique Smart Night. I love Clinique, and usually I use this as my daytime moisturizer, the Clinique Moisture Surge 72. Oh no, Extended Thirst Relief Gel Cream. I love this one, but I used it all, so we're gonna have to go for the night cream. It's a little bit thicker, but it's fine. Basically, I just take my straightener and I straighten like 1/4 of my hair, just because I don't like when it's all crinkly. So you're just gonna straighten, yeah, 1/4 of your hair, and then I just like to curl the rest. What do you guys like to listen to or watch while you're doing your hair? Currently I am on Down to Earth with Zac Efron on Netflix, and you know, my YouTube videos. Lately I've been on a podcast like listening streak. I obviously love the Office Ladies podcast with Angela Kinsey and Jenna Fisher. I guess I like the Best Friend Duo because I love that podcast. And then shout out to my friends Allison and Amber. They have a podcast called We're Almost Adults that I like listening to, and I just started listening to Odd Buys with Kristen McAtee and her friend Alex. Just the Best Friend Duo. I love like those conversations. I also like Zane and Heath's Unfiltered podcast. So yeah, let me know what you guys like to listen to, what are your favorite podcasts, or what you like to watch or do. Or, you know, usually before a festival I'll listen to some of my favorite music and get me hyped up for that specific festival. This was supposed to be for Lovers and Friends, so I'll probably listen to some hype music. So I have like a summer playlist that has like all of those songs that I was going to listen to if I went to that festival. So it has like Sean Paul, Temperature, Nina Sky, Move Your Body, and then Turn Me On by Kevin Little, you know, those songs. So that's probably what I'm going to do, so enjoy this time lapse of me doing my hair. Okay guys, this is taking a little longer than I expected, so I'm just gonna do that last half off camera and then I'll check back with you guys after my hair is done. Okay guys, my hair is done. So this is the finished product. Again, like I said, I'm gonna put a headscarf on top, so I mainly just need the bottom curls to stay. If I go to a festival, I like to use hairspray so that, you know, it doesn't go anywhere. This is the Garnier Fructis Flexible Control Hairspray in a bounce back hold. 24-hour hold, anti-humidity. So I'm just gonna spray that a little bit. And then what I like to do for my tops so that it's not all looking crazy like that, 100% boar bristle brush, and I'll just spray some hairspray and I'll just go over the tops of my head so that any flyaways will kind of like stay down. And I totally forgot, guys, that I have, well, I didn't forget, I just did not manage my time correctly, but I have an appointment to go see some houses at 4:30. It's 4:06, so I want to leave the house soon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do my foundation and eyebrows with you guys, and then I'll have to check back later after I'm done with running errands and we can finish this video. So what I like to do is get a beauty sponge. I don't like to wear foundation normally. If you know me, I like to just take care of my skin and that's it, like just leave the door. When I do like to wear foundation, I like to use Lancome's 24-hour makeup. Has SPF 15. It's a wear and comfort, retouch free. It's literally the best. I know you're like not supposed to keep like makeup items for a long time, but since I don't wear foundation, this has lasted me like forever. So I'm gonna just put like a little squirt on there, blend it in. Ooh. This one is in the color 220 BUFC, Buff C, 220 Buff C. Because you don't want to look like crazy. I like to use ColourPop's No Filter Concealer, the best concealer. I used to use Sephora's concealer, but this one's just way more affordable, and I am in the color medium 20. I don't think it'll focus, but medium 20 in ColourPop's No Filter Concealer, and I'm just gonna put that on my problem areas. So right now my problem areas are right here because I was stressing the other week, and underneath my eyes, of course. This is my tried and true. I use Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and right now I'm using Ash Brown, and then I use the Anastasia brush. I think this one is 22. I tried like 05 and that was like, I don't know, the brush just did not work out for me. So let me just show you the difference between my natural eyebrows, very sparse, very light, and what I just colored. It's a little sloppy right now because I'm just gonna go over with concealer and fix it up. See already so much of a difference. I know it's looking a little harsh, but I will fix that. So you're just gonna go with the spoolie, and you're just gonna brush out the beginning part. Then I can already tell that I have some hairs like over there, so normally for a festival I would go in and I would pluck those hairs right out. Okay, so I'm gonna take that same concealer I used and I'm just gonna put it on my hand right here. I'm just gonna put like 2, 3, 4 dibble dabbles, and then I take my, this is the e.l.f. concealer brush. It's a little tiny brush that looks like that, and I'm just gonna fix up the corners of my brows. So I'm gonna go from here. See, and already it's already looking cleaner. See, that looks so much better. But anyways, okay, I will finish my makeup later. I'm back from my errands, so let's finish getting ready. Okay, so now I would move on to the eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna be using this, my Morphe palette. Sorry, it's so dirty. And it's kind of broken, but we still stand. I think I might go for like a more brighter eye today, and I'm just gonna play with all the nudes because the headscarf that I'm wearing is navy blue and kind of like pink flowers, and then the top I'm wearing is like white and green, but they're both cool tone, as my sister says. I'm just gonna try to mix up maybe like this, and I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a line of eyeliner on my eyes. Okay, so usually I get my, well, I would get my lashes done, but shout out to Charlene, she's my friend, she does my lashes, and you'll probably see her in the next video. But I'm going to, for the meantime, I'm gonna be using the Ardell Studio Effects Demi Wispy Lashes. These are my favorite before I even dabbled into the eyelash extension world. I'm just gonna trim a little bit of the inner corners of both of them because I have a small eye, so let me do that. I'm gonna use the Duo brush on adhesive. This one is in clear, and it has, I like the brush kind, I don't like the other kind that it comes with. So the brush one is just super easy. You just brush it on, wait till it's tacky, blow on it a little, and I make sure to get the inner corners because my inner corners, girl, they be sweaty, especially at a festival. Good thing we're at my house, but if we were at a festival, oof, that's why I would get lash extensions, because that's just so much easier to deal with. Okay, so I saw this TikTok hack that if you put it like underneath, I don't know, I'm kind of scared, but it like looks more natural. It looks like eyelash extensions, so let me try it. Oh, I think I put the glue on the wrong side then. I'm so scared for this. I hope it doesn't hurt my eyeball. And I hope I don't lose some hairs because I just got my hairs back. I've been putting some castor oil and that's been helping. That definitely is a weird sensation. I'm kind of tearing up right now. I don't know if this is working out. Maybe I'm just not used to that, but that hurt. I'm like tearing up a little. If anyone knows how to do that TikTok hack, let me know, because that hurt real bad. She's crying a little, so I'm just gonna do it the normal way. See how much eyelashes just open up my eyes? Like, they make it look so, like, I don't know, like sparkly. Is that the right word? Okay, finally we have both lashes on. Oh, it completes the whole look. Like, it makes me honestly look like a different person. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I mean, it's not the best bronzer, but it's all I got, so. Or is it NYX HD Studio finishing powder. I have to put more Vaseline. My lips break out if it's like Burt's Bees or EOS or Carmex. Anything that is not Vaseline, it breaks out. Sometimes I can use the Nivea one. Now I'm gonna put some highlighter. I like the Essence Make Me Glow. This was only like $2 or something crazy cheap. And then I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my nose, what is this called? The thing on my side of my face? I don't know. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend that in. I like this because it's so like subtle but cute. Like, you notice a glow, but it's not that much. And plus, I'm so sweaty, especially in festivals, that like I do not need a lot of highlighter. Like, girl, that's enough. Some lipstick, again, ColourPop. I just love ColourPop. It's so affordable. Like, girl, if I don't wear that much makeup, then I don't want to spend on that much makeup. Like, I'd rather spend on skincare, but that's just how I am. Anyways, I use a layover. So, ooh, I've always wanted to do that. So cute. There's little stars on there. But yeah, this is my perfect nude lipstick, so I'm just gonna throw that on right now. I want to put on my outfit, so let me go change and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the top that I'm wearing. So cute with the little poofy sleeves. And then I was gonna wear white shorts, but I couldn't find them, so we're stuck with these black shorts, but they're pretty cute. They're a little short, but you know, if it's festival season, then it's festival season. The top is from Shein and the shorts are from Topshop. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Sometimes when I'm going to festivals, I like to take the highlighter and I'm just gonna put it like on my collarbone so that it's like a little bit more prominent. So I'm just gonna take a little of that and put it on my collarbone. And then there you go. And then I'm gonna put in the headscarf. And then this is my headscarf that I'll be wearing. I wanted it like a little bit more 90s vibe. If I were to wear this outfit to the festival, I would actually probably change the bottoms to like something more like bell-bottom-y. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let me know down in the comments below what you want to see from me next. And if you enjoyed this video, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.